Today I'm going to show you how to make this text effect in Canva. After opening new project, go to elements and go to shapes, choose the square and shape it like this. Change the color to black. Go to apps and type craft and click on this app. Type your text and change the font to spicy noodle. Change the color to white and click horizontal and stretch a little bit this letter. Click no mirror. Add element to design. Duplicate. And move this point like this up and move this point down. Update element. Make this one in the top. Duplicate. Move this point down and move this point up. Update element and make this one in the middle. And you can adjust as you want the text, and you can click update after. Click on the third one and move this point up and this point down. Update element. Try to make them in the middle. Share, download, increase a little bit the size, download, drag it to upload, open new page and drag it to the page, increase the size, edit image, and remove the background. Go to elements and type retro gradient graphics and choose this one and rotate it 90 degrees. Layers, send back, crop this image like this and make the background black. Share, download, choose the second page, upload it, add new page, edit image and remove the background another time. And you can increase a little bit saturation. And now you can apply the shadow if you want. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.